welcome to my channel. This is me, Liza, and in today's vlog I'm going to share to you how to set up this Dolce Gusto Lumio coffee machine, and I'm also going to make cappuccino. I'm actually very happy because this is the first ever coffee machine that I own. Thank you to my husband for gifting me this. So he actually doesn't like coffee, but he knows that I love coffee so much, so hence I have this one now. Okay, so let's do the unboxing first. It comes with a manual, but unfortunately it's written in Japanese. But anyway, there are a lot of manuals online, so I'll just check it online. Wow. So this is it, and I love the color and the style. This has minimalist style, but it can create maximum coffee creations. So based on this box, you can create like up to 15 drinks from this machine. That's a lot. So this one is called the capsule holder, and we are going to put the capsule here when we make coffee, so I can show it to you later. But this is called the rinsing tool. So before we use this coffee maker, since it's new, I haven't used it yet, we are going to set up this machine, and we need the rinsing tool. Okay, so first I need to plug in the machine. So next I have to turn on the machine. Roll this one up. Now it's on. It's red, and when it becomes ready to use, it will turn into green. Okay, so look, it's already green now. And if this machine isn't used after 1 minute, it will automatically turn off to save energy. So now I'm going to rinse my Lumio. I'm going to get this water tank, and I'm going to clean this one first and fill this with water. Insert this now here. There you go. So next is to insert the capsule holder with the rinsing tool in it. This will help with the rinsing process, but if you don't have the rinsing tool, it's still fine. Okay, so this is how we open this. Put this one in here and close it. Why I'm scared? Okay, there you go. It's already locked. A container here to collect the water. Select the 7th bar using the selection wheel. There. Okay, now so let's move the lever to the cold position, and the water is flowing. So let's wait for about 30 seconds. Let's wait this to be green. Okay, and now let's move it to the hot position. Okay, so now let's remove the capsule holder, remove the rinsing tool, and yeah, be careful because it's hot, and we're going to keep it for future use. Put back the capsule holder, and we're now ready to make our coffee. Now we can adjust the drip tray. This one, I'm going to use a small cup. Let's unbox this Cappuccino Dolce Gusto coffee. Oh, so here are the capsules inside. This is the coffee, and this is the milk. We're going to get the capsule holder, and let's put the milk first. Here's the milk, and we have here, there's an indicator on the bar. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will set up to the 6th bar in here. So let's put the capsule, the milk capsule in here, and let's insert it here. There you go. Close it. And let's put it to number 6. Okay, so now let's position it to hot. Okay, so now that it stops, let's remove. Let's put the coffee now. So the coffee shows 1 bar, so we have to set it up to 1. Like that. Let's move the lever to the hot position. So we have now our cappuccino. Now let's remove the capsule. Be careful, it's hot. And let's throw this away. Now let's put it back. It will automatically turn off if it's not used, and just unplug it. But before that, I have to return this to its normal position. Now I'm going to add cinnamon on top. So that's all, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have your own Dulce Gusto coffee maker, just comment down below and let me know if you have any tips on how to, you know, like take good care of it. And if you're planning to have one and you have any questions on how to like set it up, make a coffee, I'm willing to help if I know. Okay, cheers, bye. Mm.